Welcome to our in-depth exploration of one of the most legendary American muscle cars ever built, the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS454 LS6. This wasn't just another powerful machine, it was a statement. A car that redefined muscle car dominance and left a lasting mark on automotive history. With an earth-shaking 450 horsepower under the hood, the Chevelle SS454 LS6 was the most powerful production muscle car of its time. Today, we take a deep dive into what made this machine an icon, from its history, design, and performance to its legacy in the modern era. 1. The rise of the Chevelle SS454 LS6. By 1970, the muscle car wars were at their peak. Automakers were pushing the boundaries of performance, and Chevrolet wasn't about to be left behind. The Chevelle had already made a name for itself in the mid-60s, but 1970 marked a new chapter with the introduction of the SS454 LS6 package. While other muscle cars were boasting big block engines, Chevrolet took things to another level. The LS6 version of the 454 cubic inch V8 wasn't just an upgrade, it was a revolution. With an official factory rating of 450 horsepower and 500 lb-ft of torque, this engine made the LS6 Chevelle the most potent muscle car of its era. 2. Design and styling. A bold muscle car. Look, the 1970 Chevelle SS454 LS6 had a presence that was impossible to ignore. It had the looks of a true muscle car, combining aggressive styling with a performance-driven design. Exterior features: cowl induction. Hood. The signature functional air intake scoop helped feed the massive 454 engine, giving it more oxygen for added performance. SS badging. The car proudly displayed SS emblems on the grille, rear panel, and fenders, letting everyone know this wasn't an ordinary Chevelle. Dual racing stripes, optional on SS models. These stripes added to the aggressive styling and racing pedigree. Chrome bumpers and blacked-out grille, a perfect blend of elegance and aggression, keeping the car looking both stylish and intimidating. Magnum 500 or rally wheels. The LS6 package offered stylish wheels wrapped in Goodyear polyglass tires, ensuring excellent grip. Inside, the Chevelle SS454 LS6 was all business. Bucket seat center console, providing a driver-focused experience. SS instrument cluster, featured a 7,000 RPM tachometer, speedometer, and essential gauges. Optional Muncie M22 Rock Crusher transmission, one of the best 4-speed manual transmissions available at the time. Classic AM/FM radio. Even though this was a muscle car, it didn't lack in entertainment. 3. Powertrain. The legendary LS6 454 V8. Now, let's talk about the heart of the beast, the LS6 454 cubic inch V8. Chevrolet built this engine to dominate the streets and the drag strip. Engine specs: 7.4 L, 454 cubic inches. Big block V8, 450 HP, 5600 RPM. Some experts believe it made closer to 500 HP. 500 lb-ft of torque, air 3600 RPM, solid lifter camshaft for high rev performance. 11.25.1 compression ratio Holley, 780 CFM, 4-barrel carburetor, forged aluminum pistons, and high-flow cylinder heads. The LS6 was built for serious performance. Its high-compression design required premium leaded fuel, and it could rev high while still delivering monstrous low-end torque. 4. Performance, a street-legal race car. How did all that power translate to real-world performance? Simply put, the 1970 Chevelle SS454 LS6 was a rocket on the streets. Here are some impressive performance figures: 0 to 60 mph, 5.4 seconds, blazing fast for a 1970 muscle car. Quarter mile, 13.2 seconds, or 108 mph. Top speed, estimated at 140 plus mph. These numbers made the LS6 Chevelle one of the quickest cars of its time, rivaling even some early supercars. 5. Driving experience. The thrill of the LS6. Driving the 1970 Chevelle SS454 LS6 was an unforgettable experience. The moment you turned the key, the big block V8 roared to life with an aggressive exhaust note that let everyone know you meant business. Acceleration. The LS6 had brutal axis,